Wow. Hey everyone, it's Carol. I just got home. It's after 10. I was at my son-in-law's birthday and we all sat out in the yard with the fire pit and we just had a great time, 4 or 5 hours just laughing. And I'll show you what I'm wearing. I got these sneakers from TEMU. And my grandson, as soon as he saw them, he goes, "Wow, Grandma, my friend just got a pair like that." I said, he says, "They're expensive, right?" I said, "I got it from TEMU." So, because it was cream and black, I wore this cream sweater. I didn't have a hat on. I put the hat on the way home. But this is my sweetie cap from, I think, TEMU also. So I have on pants that are baggy, wide leg. They're cargo, but they're very baggy. Black with white stitching. Anyway, I have a TEMU haul to show you. It's wild. I have a lot of things to show you. And let's just start with this. It's a digital day clock. I love this. My son bought two of these from my mom when she had her own apartment. And she loved it. And now I bought one. And I'll show you a picture of it. It tells you the day, the date, the afternoon, the evening, the morning. It tells you the time. It's just great. And I just keep it where when I'm sitting on the couch, I could just like look over and I just see it. I don't have to think, what day is it? You know? It's not a dementia clock. It's a, some companies call it that, but it's easy to read, easy to set up, and it even has an alarm. I didn't know. It's wall mountable. It's got an auto night dimmer, dual date mode, dual time mode, digital photo frame function, 12 alarm options. I don't use the alarms, but I just use for the time. And yeah, it comes in this box. So then I got this this little toothpick holder. Look how cute. It's so cute. I don't even know how it works. Let's see. Oh, okay, so the toothpick. Oh, okay. So you put the toothpicks in here. You put toothpicks in there, and then when you press this down, they pop up. Is that cute? Oh my God. So cute. It's just like cute overload. Oh, look at this. My daughter bought me this for my birthday. One of my birthday gifts. Let's see. All right, I'm going to shut this light and this way you can see it. It's not. Put this right in the middle of the table. It's so cute. And it was at Big Lots, and she got it for like $12.99. It's so cute. They have flamingos and I don't know what else, but this is so cute. You can see it when it's without these lights. These lights are wild. Okay. Let's see. What else do we have here? All right, before I go to bed, I'm going to show you this. I have to go take my makeup off, get in the shower. Whew. It was a beautiful night, though. So this is the box. These are little banks. Oh, and there's a little Shirley Temple. And it's a red phone. It's a bank. It's a red phone on the box, but I got the red phone. Look at that. And you just fill it up and then take the money out there. Hello? Hi. Hold on. Yeah? Okay. All right. Yeah. Bye. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. Too bad it doesn't dial. Is that not adorable? And where do you see the other one? Look at this. Oh. It's a bank. Hello? Hi. Oh, it's like an echo in here. It's like an echo. And you put your coins in there. So I'm going to leave this one right up here. Oh, it's so cute. So cute. They have all different colors. So I got that. Now I could throw the box away. I just like to show you what it came in. It comes in different colors. Look at Shirley Temple. I grew up with Shirley Temple. I mean, how cute was she? We loved her. We idolized her. We wanted to be her. Yeah. Meanwhile, have you watched Shirley Temple movies now from the old days? She was dancing on the bars, dancing on tables with all the men in the bars. She was hitchhiking on the road. Truck drivers picked her up. Oh my God, we didn't see anything wrong with that. Let me know if you remember her shows, her movies. We just loved it. Okay, so let me get the rest of the stuff and I will show it to you when I'm a little less exhausted. I appreciate you so much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. I want you to know you are appreciated. I'm going to do my viewer shout outs in upcoming videos again because I know how exciting and how wonderful it feels when somebody says your name. When somebody says your name, you feel acknowledged, you feel seen. Well, I hope you feel appreciated because I appreciate you. So have a great night, a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you all. I see you.